Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Claude Code AI inside Antigravity IDE. So here we have different way to actually do this. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install Claude Code CLI, okay, command line interface, Claude Code CLI inside Antigravity. So here you can see currently I'm inside Antigravity IDE. So what you have to do, you have to go to the browser and you have to download this. So let me show you. If you type Antigravity and search it, then you will find antigravity.google.com. Go there, and here you can see that if I go to the download section, we have here Antigravity 2.0. So don't download this, because if you download this, you can actually get this IDE. If you want the IDE, if you want to use terminal, if you want to use extensions, then you should go with Antigravity IDE. Okay, if you scroll a little bit down, then you will find here Antigravity IDE. Here you can see. I'm from Windows, so I'm going to go with this one. If you're from Mac, you can go with this one, and for the Linux user, go with this one. That's it. Now I have already installed it, so you just have to install it. That's it. Okay, remember, you should go with Antigravity IDE, not the Antigravity 2.0. all right, Antigravity IDE. That's all. Now we'll go here, and here you can see this is an IDE. Now we can actually go for the terminal, new terminal, and here we are going to say npm. Okay, so here you can see I have a command here, right? npm. So if you want to run this command, if you want to install it through a package installer npm, you have to actually install Node.js at first. So go to the browser and go for the Node.js, and then here you can see nodejs.org. You can directly go there, and you can click here download, and here you can see select any of the version and then go with it. Okay, install it. That's it. And I already installed it, so I'm not going to reinstall it. Now the command is npm, then install. Okay, then space -g space at, okay, anthropic, anthropic, anthropic -ai, okay, then slash Claude, Claude -code. That's it. So if you now hit enter, then it will actually install Claude Code AI. Now hit enter. Here you can see it start installing, and it will take some time, so I'm going to fast forward the video. Now we can actually add it. So I'm going to say here Claude, and I'll hit enter. Then Claude will open here, you can see. So I'll select dark mode, I will hit enter, and if you want light mode, you can actually press down arrow key or up arrow key to change the options, right? So let's go with the dark mode, and here you can see Claude account with subscription. So we have pro account, and the reason is you can actually use it for free. If you want to use Claude Code CLI, at least you have to go with the minimum pro version. Okay, it will cost maybe $17 to $20, and you have to actually go through it. Okay, if you want to use Claude Code CLI. All right, so I'll go with the Claude premium account, and okay, I already logged into my account. Here you can see I just have to actually go for the Claude AI. You can actually search here Claude AI, okay, and then you can go through claude.com. You can see sorry, this one, okay, sign in Claude. So it will come to this site, and you just have to actually log in through your Google account. Browser didn't open, use URL to sign in. Okay, so we just have to actually copy this URL. Okay, now hit enter. Now we'll click here authorize, copy the code, go back here. Okay, now we have to actually paste it here. We have pasted, right? Now hit enter, and login successful. Now we'll hit enter to continue, and we'll actually go with the recommended setting. Yes, I trust this folder, and here you can see this is the Claude Code CLI. Now we are not going to actually randomly use this. Let's say I want to use Claude Code in a specific folder. So I will actually go here in this, go to this file explorer, and I will open the folder. Let's say this one in the downloads I want to use. Okay, so I'm going to create here a new folder, let's say, and I will say paste Claude. Okay, and I will add it here. Here you can see test Claude. Now here I want to open the terminal, so I'll go new terminal, and my terminal will open in a specific folder, and that is test Claude. Here you can see test Claude. Now if I say here Claude, Oh, sorry, I mistake here. So that will be Claude, CLAUDE. Okay, Claude. And I'll say yes, trust this folder. And now here I can see. So we have now the CLI, right? So that's it, guys. I hope you understand. And if this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.